Hey guys, Rickard here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I have a super special unboxing, and of course this product here is in for review, and it is the, wait for it, ta-da, it's a brand new MacBook Neo. Alright guys, so my older MacBook Air was getting a little bit old. Of course it still performs as it was the M1 MacBook Air, and of course since the new MacBook Neo has come out guys and there's good things being said about it, I've decided to pick up one, and of course I've picked it up in this color, and this color is the silver. Alright, so let's check out the box here. You can see the product preview, and right here it says MacBook Neo. On the side you can see the Apple logo, and the thing I like about these guys is that with the Neos it makes the MacBooks way more affordable, so we can know definitely you'll start to see way more MacBooks on the market. And of course they're a great device. I have personally used the M1 series of MacBooks, and now they have this one, and I decided to pick this up. I'm still using my M1, but of course I'll be pairing this for videos and of course for tutorials just for you guys. Alright, so this one is still sealed in the box, and of course this is the 8GB 256 gigabytes of internal storage, and of course it's 13 inches, and this is the MacBook Neo. It's a 6-core CPU with 5-core GPU, 13-inch display. It has a liquid retina backlit display, and of course it gives the resolution. It comes with 2 USB ports, Magic keyboard, and of course you can figure the rest out. And we're gonna open this up. As you can see, the seals have not been torn, so of course I'm gonna go ahead and remove the first seal here, and of course we're gonna see the seals, and of course you have that satisfying MacBook or Apple product unveiling. You can hear the satisfying click as the seals are broken for this MacBook. This will be a straight up unboxing video. Next, after this, we're gonna have the video where we actually do the setup process. Now, do note with these MacBook Neos that they are selling way more than Apple anticipated, and as a result, they're running low on supplies. All right, so we're gonna open up. There you go. And as always with these product unboxing, you get that satisfying unbox for removing the cover. And here we have the Neo itself, and of course one thing I noticed coming from the Air is that the Neo in terms of weight is way weightier than an Air. So I'm going to place this to the side. All right, so here we have the usual stuff. We have designed by Apple in California, and we have MacBook Neo, and this is the paperwork. It basically breaks down. It shows you they have the lock key right there. This is the regular version. There's a version that comes with the touch unlock, but I have an Apple Watch, so I should be able to unlock without needing that touch. And of course it's a touchpad. They show you the basic overlay. If you have used a Mac before, you should be familiar. You can go ahead and look at this. It talks about setting it up automatically, and it runs you through the overall. Here we have what it says MacBook Neo. We're gonna put this away. All right guys, here we have the included charger, and of course this is a Apple charger. This is a 20 watt, much similar to the one that comes with the iPad. And of course we have the cable. So one of the things I like here is that you get the charger and everything included, so nothing is left outside of the box. And of course this should be the US version in terms of we get everything included. And of course we have the cable, and these have the new braided cables that are coming with the iPads and of course the phones such as the iPhone 17. All right, so here we have the cable that's included. It's very long, and of course it's longer than the standard cable, and it's braided. We have the 20 watt charger, and of course everything hooks up just fine. We're going to place these to the side, and of course the box, and that's everything that's included, and to power up the device. All right, guys, so here we have the Neo. It comes in this what seems almost like nice paper, almost like grease paper but better. And time for the reveal. There you go, guys. So of course this is the silver, and let's check it out. So we have the Apple logo, and of course if you look at the sides here, we have a section here that looks like the speakers, and of course this is metal, so you're getting a premium quality in terms of the design, that you're getting something that's made out of a solid material. Speakers on the side, headphone jack, and 2 USB ports, which come standard usually. You have this section here, and let's look at the back. On the back you have the screws and you have the mounts that stand off, and of course it's very clean in its design, and everything simply stands out in terms of Apple design. And of course, as we said, this is a silver edition, so we're gonna open this up. It's my very first time using this one, so let's do the opening. There we go. We hear it starting up, so we're gonna remove this. All right, let me adjust the camera. All right, guys, so we have the touchpad, and right here we have the hello in terms of the welcome to the MacBook. All right, so far so good. And of course I'm going to not go any further in terms of the software. First thing I notice is that the keyboard is not backlit. However, that's fine. We have the touchpad, and of course we have the general keyboard. It looks very nice despite not being backlit compared to a normal laptop. This is actually very, very good. All right, so of course this is a new frontier for Apple in these affordable products. So of course I'm going to start this one up. I'm going to set up everything in the next video, and this is it for the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed, and as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips with this unboxing of the MacBook Neo. Hope you enjoy, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.